Ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ ilé-ìwé Yoruba Basics. Welcome Yoruba Basics students. Today we're going to learn about the alphabet, alifabeti in Yoruba. As you can tell, that is a borrowed word. Yoruba language is one of the oldest languages in the whole entire world, and so we have a lot of borrowed words in there, but we shall talk more about that in a little while. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, you will understand what Yoruba language, Yoruba alphabet is, and you're going to start beginning to get an introduction to tones and markings in the Yoruba language. Okay, Yoruba language, as far as the cultural application is concerned, is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, and Yoruba language is spoken mostly in West Africa, but really it is in all over the world, including Brazil. Um, the Yoruba language, even though is really old, as far as the representation written is linguistically is new. It's kind of fairly new, and it is based on English, so that means it's going to be easy for us to understand what it is. And then I want you to pay attention to some of the similarities and differences between the English language alphabet and the Yoruba language alphabet. So again, Yoruba language alphabets are based on English alphabets, and I want you to kind of pay attention to those to be able to see the differences and the similarities. But let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so some of the things right off the bat that you should know is that Yoruba alphabet has only 25 letters compared to English that has 26. So that's one less alphabet that we have in Yoruba. In addition, Yoruba does not have the following letters. Yoruba does not have a C, it doesn't have a Q, it doesn't have an X, and it doesn't have a Z or Z in some languages. So no C, no Q, no X, and no Z, okay? In addition to that, we have additional letters they look like duplicates, but are really not. So the duplicates, or the ones that are extra, we have two E's, okay, they have different pronunciation. We have two O's, and we have two S's, okay, and then we'll get to the pronunciation in a little while. Lastly, is that there are a couple of, there's a new alphabet that the GB together. Now, when you see it, you're going to think, is it two alphabets put together? No, it's really two alphabets representing one sound, okay? So, b, okay, is the sound. So we'll get to that also. And then finally is the P sound. Yeah, we have a P in English. We have a P in Yoruba, but they make a different sound. So in P, you put your mouth together and it's kind of like, but in Yoruba, the P is more wider. You kind of flatten your mouth out, okay? Let's get right into each one of them, okay? So now the whole set of, just like in English, we have alphabets that in alphabets, we have vowels and we have consonants, okay? The Yoruba alphabet has seven vowels, seven vowels. Let's go through them. We have a, e, 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 I, O, O, and then O. I'm sorry, and then U. Okay, so the umbrella might not be the very best example of this one, but we'll use the Yoruba word to be able to explain it. So if you were to think in English, the sounds that they make, the A makes the sound, the same A sound that apple makes. The A makes the same sound that eight makes. The E makes the same sound as elephant. E, same sound as igloo. O as in only, then O as in orange, and then U as in Yoruba, oju eyes, oju. Okay. All right. So now let's get into looking at each one of the alphabets really closely. Okay. We have A, akon, B, bata, D, doje, A, erin, and then ẹyin, ẹyin. Okay, see the two E's, the E without the dot under it has the A sound, and the one with the dot under it has the S sound. Okay, moving on to the next set of 5 letters in Yoruba. We have fi, gi, bi, e, e. Okay, so the f is the fila, g for guguru, b as in b, 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 and then he, hehoro, and then iwe, iwe. Okay, great. Don't forget what I said with the sound of the GB. Some people feel like it's the sound that you make when you say big ball really fast. The big ball, the G at the end of the beak, and the B as in the front of the ball, as in big ball. The g that kind of grabs you in the throat at that moment. That's the sound, except that you kind of pronounce it out a little bit more. So that's g, b, b, ba. Okay, and then the G is more like g as in guitar. Okay. All right. So moving along, we have 5 more letters. We have G, ki, li, mi, ni. So G as in J, ki as in kaba, li as in laba laba, mi as in malu, ni as in nu. Nu is to clean something. Nu. The N in Yoruba is a little more nasally, and you'll see it being more nasal as you start putting together words and putting sentences together, and how we kind of have a little bit of a dip in with the nose, with the N, to make a more of a nasal consonant sound. All right. So moving far along, the next set of alphabets that we're going to learn is O, B, Ri, Si. So O for Oyin, O for Okere, P as in Pepeye, Pepeye, Ri as in Rakumi, and S as in Se, Se. Now, just a little bit, let's just kind of go back to a little bit to the P sound. So in English, when you want to say something with a P sound, you kind of purse your lips together to kind of make like a circle. In Yoruba, when you want to say the P sound, your mouth actually doesn't make a circle. It seems like it actually almost spills out and goes flatter out to let the sound of the P come out from the both sides of your mouth. So we, it's like almost like you're drawing the air in as opposed to pushing it out. It's like an intake. So we, re, si. Okay. So now let's continue on. The next set of alphabets is the sh, ti, u, we, yi. Okay. Now the equivalent of the sh in English is the sh. Okay. But here we don't put the h. We just put a dot under the s to signify that we're doing the sh sound. So sh as in shibi, t as in t as in tolotolo. Okay. Tolotolo. U as in oju. Okay. We as in wura, and then yi, okay, as in yomu yomu. Okay, so ti u wi yi. Okay, so those are all the alphabets of Yoruba. Now let's kind of do a quick review of some of the differences. There's the ejo, eyin, b, ba. Okay, b, ba. O, oju, o, osan, pi, pẹ̀lẹ́, sun, sh, Ishe. So there you have it. You have all the alphabets of in Yoruba. Don't forget there are 25 of them, not 26. Don't forget that we do not have a C, a Q, a X, or a Z. We have extra E, extra O, and extra S. We have an addition of the B alphabet, and we have the P sound is B. Other than that, all the alphabets should really look similar to what you see, and they should sound similar to what you expect them to sound like, because if you're an English speaking person, they are based on English language. So that's it for the alphabet. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're interested in more information, about Yoruba basics, about learning the building blocks of how to speak Yoruba, don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and don't forget to download our documents that we have. We have free activities that will help you learn the alphabets. And then just make sure you write us in general. Follow our newsletters, And we have all the time. We're always releasing more new free stuff. Okay. So thank you very much. Bye bye.